boys. I know say most of them no guys they say they bomb dating for Telegram. Sure I get most of them say around the bomb for Facebook and Instagram and like recharge. I want to show out to bomb dating for Telegram. Sure I get. So what you like to do if I continue for this update, when you're clinic or buy you more than jump on WhatsApp for more updates like this. Sure I get. So what you guys just go your Telegram, search for this new match and meet new friends. So you want to not search for the bots like this, like you click on it like this. Sure is how you click on it like this now. You click on start. How sure is how now the ask me to choose language, you go choose English. Sure is how. So you go say let's get start. Sure is how you type okay. So anything they say for you don't read down. Now the ask for your age. Just put your age. My author say they like 30 years, sure I get. Someone already follow this demo and don't do mistake. Now, if a man or woman they use bomb, I don't know why they use bomb. If a man choose male, if a woman choose female, you click on female and woman and they use work. If you get. So they will ask you now which one you define. What are you looking for? Who are you looking for? Whether a man or woman I they look for. If a man click on man. So me have the woman and they look for this. Now they will ask you your city. I will put USA. Should I say maybe? I'll show you sound. I'll put USA. Show you sound a bit. Now they'll ask you your name. Just put it in a way like I know any way they use work. Show you sound a bit. I also that they follow the step. I'm more enough to get clean cover. You want to jump outside for more updates like this. Show that they sound a bit. Now they will ask you now. Make tell them about yourself. Like what you they do. If you skip them, you know me. Should I get. Now, they go ask you that may take selfie of yourself or may upload video. Now you go your guy now, the person where they use work, you go choose the person picture. My author say that this woman now they use work. Just select woman picture, send her for them. Should I get? Should I sound be? So now I wait may load. Should I sound be? Now you go so done and save the photo. Should I sound be? Now they will bring out your profile now. They will bring your name, your age, everything. They'll ask you correct. You have to say yes. You click on yes. Sure it's out. Now they will bring for you people will be saying now your match. Like this one now. This one now they find person. If you like them, you click on love. Sure I get. They will bring for you another person. They'll say continue looking. Sure it's out. Now they will bring for you. Say now I see this one like this now. If you this one I will say this one no be a lie. If you start to the bomb. So more enough get clean or buy you more than jump on WhatsApp for more updates like this. Sure I get. I drop more updates like this on the WhatsApp group. Try to see this one and this one see they available. Try to see for you now you catch yourself see and we sharpen now.